great day. Welcome to Pearl TV, and in this video, I am going to share with you guys a very beautiful topic. And the topic that I chose to discuss this evening is how to be a strong woman emotionally, okay? The enumerated quality of a strong woman is based from what I searched in Google, okay? So this is credit to Google. And accordingly, to become a strong woman emotionally, you have to list your strength, okay? Ililista mo, ano ba yung mga kakayahan mo. Okay, dapat alam mo yung strength mo kung ikaw ay confident woman. Saan ka ba magaling? Saang aspeto ka ba nag-i-excel? Dapat alam mo yun, okay? This is how to build your confidence para maging confident ka, okay? Number 2 is accordingly try the reflected best self exercise, okay? Reflected best self exercise. Ano ba yun? Anong ibig sabihin? Kailangan, nagkakaroon ka ng pagbubulay-bulay para sa iyong sarili na, ito, dapat ganito ako kasi I'm already a confident person, so these are the things that I must do, okay? So, kumbaga may reflection ka, nagkakaroon ka ng panahon para sa sarili mo na tukuyin, okay? Kung ano ba yung mga quality dapat na meron ka para masabi mong confident ka. Okay, so number 3 is accordingly learn to say no, okay? Women are often taught to be people pleaser, okay? So, ganun yung mga kababaihan kasi Kasi, ayaw nila na may masabi na masama sa kanila, okay? Lalo na sa marriage. Ang mga babae, kasi naturingan ng mga babae na bahay ka lang, may bumubuhay sa'yo. So, lalo nung panahon, ang mga babae ay sunod-sunuran lamang sa isang lalaki. Kung anong inutusan ng lalaki, susunod siya. But, time has evolved already, okay? So, women become already confident because there are women like us who already know our strength, okay? So, when you are already confident, you have the guts to say, no, this is the thing that I must do. This is the thing that I believe which is right, okay? So, this is the thing that I want to do, okay? So, hindi natin kailangang i-please ang mga tao. Dahil alam din natin na yung discarding gagawin natin is okay din, okay? So, tayong gagawa, of course, sarili nating desisyon. Okay? And number 4 is keep a journal accordingly. Okay, naglilista-lista tayo from time to time kung ano ba yung mga nangyayari sa atin. So, you're checking, okay, or you are planning for yourself, for your best self, ano ba yung mga kailangan mo para tuloy-tuloy yung pagiging, kumpiyansa, okay? So, tine-check mo din, nire-review mo din na, am I already a confident woman? Am I doing the best thing for me? Okay, so, habang nagre-reflect ka, gine-journal mo, sinusulat mo din yung mga bagay na sa tingin mo, kailangan i-jot down, okay? Number 5 is counter negative self-talk, okay? So, ibig sabihin, wag mong i-entertain yung mga bagay na negatibo na sasabihin mo, hala, baka isipin nila mayabang ako dahil confident ako. No. Okay? Kina-counter mo yan dahil confident ka nga. Alam mo sa sarili mo na you have the strength and the strength is real, okay? Alam mo na yung bagay na gusto mong gawin ay tama at alam mo na yung bagay na gusto mong gawin ay magdadrive talaga sa tamang result, okay? So, alam mo yun kasi you're already a strong woman emotionally and based on your past experiences, you already gained so many things, okay? So, you have gained already. So, you know what is the pros and cons of the things that you're doing from time to time, right? So, do not entertain negative self-talk, okay? You have to counter it, okay? And number 6, accordingly, is challenge personalization. Okay, ano ibig sabihin nun? Sa aking pananaw, yung pag sinabing challenge personalization, ikaw, kung ano ka talaga, okay? Do not pretend to be someone whom you are not. Kung sino ka, like me, ganito talaga ako magsalita. Magpabebe ako na hindi naman ako pabebe, okay? So, ganito talaga ako. So, I have to embrace myself for being who I am. People, from time to time, misunderstood my character. Sasabihin nila, si Pearl, masyadong epal. Hindi. So, alam mo na, kumpiyansa ka na sa sarili mo. You have to embrace yourself. This is me. There's no wrong about me. This is what God made me, okay? Ito ako, ganito ako ginawa ng Panginoon, so I have to embrace myself. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-fit sa size nyo para makapasok ako sa buhay nyo. Hindi yung ganun 'di ba? This is me. I have already gained so much experiences in life. I know what I'm doing, okay? So, I should be out of the box from people who want me to fit to their size, okay? So, hindi pwede na, kasi confident woman tayo Hindi tayo yung woman ng panahon na sunod-sunuran lang tayo sa kung anong dapat na gusto ng ibang tao para sa atin, right? Ayan, number 7, practice self-kindness. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng practice self-kindness? Ayun, kasi may mga tao na sobrang pagod na sila sa buhay nila. Kailangan nilang ipahinga yung katawan nila, ipahinga yung isip nila, ipahinga ang sarili nila sa mga activity na ginagawa nila. So that is a kind of self-kindness, okay? You have to pause, okay? You have to stop from doing the things that make you tired, or whether it's emotional, okay? Physical. You have to practice self-kindness. You know, guys, the last time I was doing home chores, there's a voice that is speaking to my mind, and the voice is saying, Pearl, be kind to yourself. Talagang may ganun guys, sabi ko. Kasi parang rattle na ako sa sobrang daming gawaing bahay, di ba? Alam niyo naman guys yun. Sa sobrang daming gawaing bahay ng isang nanay, patong-patong, tapos meron pa tayong mga advokasya sa buhay natin. Meron pa tayong mga home business na iba-iba. Tapos may voice na talaga sa utak ko, sabi, Pearl, please be kind to yourself. So, napatigil ako. So, nag-relax ako. That voice is very calming, okay? Yung sumuksok yun sa utak ko. Sabi ko, I just enjoy what I'm doing. Okay, naghugas ako ng pinggan. Okay, enjoyin ko na lang to. Okay, kumbaga, be present to the moment. What you're doing, enjoy it. Okay, do not be in a hurry to do those things na hindi pa naman kaya ng katawan mo. Kumbaga, to be present. Kumbaga, enjoy the things that you're doing, okay? That is kind of self-kindness. Huwag mong pilitin yung katawan mo na gawin to dahil sinasabi ng ibang tao. Ikaw, ako ang nakakaalam kung ano ang tama sa katawan ko, okay? Kaya it's very, very tiresome that people will tell us, hey, you do this, and you have to finish this, ganito, ganyan. If you're working, that's good. But if you're just inside the house, or in some place that people demand us to do things like this, like that, diba? It's very tiresome. And we don't know. Kasi kapag ang tao, mentally, physically, emotionally exhausted na, illness, may attack us, right? So it's very unkind if we will not try to pause or stop from doing the things that is already causing us burden, right? And last but not the least is, accordingly, spend time with positive people, okay? Spend time with positive people, those people who will lift you up from time to time, those people that will encourage you, those people that will give you as a word that will uplift you, okay? So, spend time with them. Kasi, of course, we people would love to be heard also, okay? We also would love to be accepted for being who we are. That's why we should not become a people pleaser, right? So, it's very important that we remain in touch with our senses and allow no one to dictate what is best for us. We're already a strong woman, a woman who is already confident, and a woman who will no longer allow other people to fit to the size that they want us to be, right? So, it's important to know the things in order for you to become called a confident woman, okay? People will misunderstood us. Sasabihin nila you're arrogant or you're mayabang, but don't mind them. You already know who you are. And the people who love you will accept you for being who you are, right? Bye and thanks for watching. Love you all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and my FB page, Pearl TV Official. Bye.